First of all, just even as the parent liaison, they make it so easy for me. It's maybe 2 hours total out of the entire year that I help organize or create the EduKit. They're doing all of the other stuff on the other side. And as a parent liaison, I don't have to bother the school, and they don't have to worry, like teachers aren't worrying about it. It's just me communicating with EduKit and then communicating with school staff as needed. And so it's just been a super easy process for the last couple of years, and then it's a great way to just have your school supplies already in the classroom on meet and greet day instead of waiting. We end up with a long line out the door of kids and parents eager to meet their teachers all at the same time. So, and then they're having to juggle all of their school supplies, and so the EduKits are already in the classroom. That makes it also really great for them.